everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
Hi, I'm Colby. I'm Deb's niece.
Yeah, Colby is my niece and she's worked with us for years, like
7 years, I think.
at least.
Yeah.
Hold on. Phone call. Okay, so we're gonna do today's top 5 together, and today we're featuring plants that hummingbirds love. They love to feed off the blooms of these plants and they're attracted to them. So I'll go first. The first one we're going to start with is actually a perennial. So we do have some perennials in store, and this one isn't flowering yet, but it is called Monarda Bbomb. And Bbomb has a lot of uses. It's good for pollinators, for butterflies, and for hummingbirds. And if you take a smell of the leaf, it has this really sweet basil smell. It's just amazing. It's used in a lot of lip balms and lotions and salves and things as well. But it grows quite tall, beautiful flowers, mostly in shades of red and pinks. But you can smell it when you walk by. It's that fragrant, and hummingbirds and butterflies love it.
And then we actually have the hummingbird mix, which has the lophus in it, which is these pink flowers here.
These ones.
Oh,
yeah.
These pink flowers here.
Well, they're all. This mix has all pink.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe show it a little bit closer. And these tubular shaped flowers, hummingbirds are attracted to anything in that shape, and this will flower all the way down this vine, so it's very beautiful. And that one, you could grow that basket. It does best in part sun. Needs a little bit of shade in the afternoon.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so the next flower is, it's called Kaphia, and this one's called Hummingbird's Lunch. This is commonly called a cigar plant. This is an annual. And again, we got the tubular shaped flowers here. Really pretty, gets loaded in them. Tons of tiny little flowers. And it does grow quite tall and bushy, but this is a great choice to feed the hummingbirds. Salvia.
Then we have salvia, and we have 3 different blooming colors here. So there's purple, pink, and white.
Yeah, and again, it has these beautiful tubular shaped flowers. We have shown salvia quite a few times. This type is an annual type, but we also have perennial type salvias in store. And these are also going to grow, these ones are going to grow about 20 inches. We have salvias that will grow 4 feet tall as well. But Hummingbird Magnets, these guys. They're so pretty.
Yeah.
They're so pretty. So these things are kind of more for the sun. We do have a plant for shade for hummingbirds. And this, again, we're showing a basket because the basket is more advanced. It has blooms. But you can see these are fuchsias in here, and hummingbirds absolutely love fuchsias. If you have fuchsias in your yard, you will see hummingbirds just like zooming around them all the time. And they'll find them. So yeah, there's some buds coming and some blooms in here. We also have fuchsias in smaller individual pots if you're looking for that. And we have the lophus vine in individual pots as well. So we hope you enjoyed our top 5 plants of the day, the hummingbird special.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Thanks, Colby. Bye, guys.